Welcome to the SAP Business One usability series on parallel windows. Working with windows in parallel is useful for cross-checking and having access to key information whilst working in one or more windows at any given time. I'm going to create a sales order for my customer, Parameter Technology. Before I submit the sales order to the system, I want to drill down into the business partner. This gives me the option to review important information about my business partner, such as their account balance or current sales opportunities. I'm now going to drill down into the sales opportunities report. I'm able to once again drill down into the current business partner master data. I now have two windows open for the one business partner. This allows me to view different contact information, for example. If I click on the Contact Persons tab, with two of the same windows open, I'm able to, for example, review two different contact details, or I can have two different tabs open at any one time. SAP Business One gives you the flexibility to work with multiple windows in parallel, and also the same window with the same content open multiple times when seeking different views or tabs for information.